Hello everyone, welcome to the world of Lean Six Sigma. I am Mohit Sharma, your mentor and coach on Lean Six Sigma issues and problems. I have been receiving requests from some of my viewers. They are requesting me to create a video on some of the Lean tools that can be used during a Lean project. Topic of today's video is Lean tools during Lean project. So before that, we need to understand the Lean methodology and what are the various steps that has to be followed during this methodology. And then we will also see what are the types of Lean tools that are there that can be used in that particular step. In a Lean methodology, the first step is to identify a project. Second step is to collect some data. Third step is to identify the current state. Fourth step is to identify the future state. And the fifth step is to do the data analysis for key causes. Step number 6 is to identify and implement the Kaizens. And the seventh step is implementation and control. So for step number 1, which is to identify a project, you need a project charter. To collect data, you need a data collection plan. And to understand the current process, you need to define a current state value stream map. And then to create a future state, you need to create a future state value stream map. Data analysis for key causes. If the data is available, the team can use Pareto chart, pie chart, or any other statistical tool, or even you can do hypothesis testing. Identifying and implementing Kaizens can be done with the help of a fishbone and a YY analysis, and implementation and control could be with the help of 4W1H and a control plan. So let us take some examples and understand these tools better. Step number 1 is to identify the problem with the help of a project charter. So in a project charter, you will have to create these 6 things, which is business case, problem statement, goal statement, scope, milestone, and team charter. So in this particular case, the team is trying to avoid delays in tax filing. So they want to improve on-time tax filing from 16.6% to 100%. Then the data collection plan. So they wanted to create a value stream map. So data should be collected on the cycle time of the tax process, wait time between steps, and the first pass yield on each of these steps. In the next phase of the project, that is how a data collection plan can be used. Friends, you can buy my authored books on Amazon. My first book is 8 Steps to Problem Solving, which talks about Six Sigma concepts. And my second book is Continuous Improvement the Lean Way, which talks about the lean concepts. The next thing is to lay down a current state value stream map. So this activity should be done with the team. The entire team should be called in and they all should give their inputs when they are creating value stream map. And then the green color star is indicated as a Kaizen. Kaizen means improvement. So these improvements could be identified during the brainstorming session or it could be identified during the value stream mapping itself. Creating the future state map, eliminating few of the steps, automating some of the other steps, reducing some cycle time in one place and the other place can be identified with the help of the group which is gathered together, and that can be put down as the future state value stream map. So team want to achieve this in the future, but they have not achieved it yet. They are discussing it, how to do it in that particular session of a value stream map. Identifying the Kaizen with the help of a fishbone diagram, what is not right, why there is a delay in tax filing. There could be different sub causes to the main causes like people, material, method, and machine. Too much data massaging is required, manual working taking a lot of time, and all of these different potential causes can be identified. They are Kaizen opportunities. Identifying the solution with the help of YY analysis like automation, create and implement change in the control log, and there are other mechanisms to generate pop-up on the screen while team is working so that they don't miss any of these things and they don't have to do the rework again. So some of the ideas can be identified with the help of YY analysis. Kaizen prioritization can be done with the help of ease impact. So what is easy to implement and which has a greater impact should be implemented first. After prioritizing the Kaizens, the last thing is to implement these Kaizens and control the improved state. So the team has to create what is to be implemented, when, where, who, how. Then whatever has been decided by the group has to be checked by some senior person on a particular frequency. So this overall creates a control on the process. So friends, I hope you understood how these lean tools are to be used during a lean project. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. I'll see you in my next upcoming video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Friends, you can buy my authored books on Amazon. My first book is 8 Steps to Problem Solving, which talks about Six Sigma concepts. And my second book is Continuous Improvement the Lean Way, which talks about the lean concepts.